Why is the magnifying glass not working on my phone? Attention, smartphone users. A topic that has many people buzzing right now is the magnifying glass feature on phones. Just yesterday, numerous users reported issues with this handy tool. If you are one of those wondering why it is not functioning, you are not alone. Let's take a closer look at some reasons that might explain the problem you are facing. First, software glitches can often cause the magnifying glass or zoom function to freeze. This is a common issue that can happen to anyone. If this is the case, a quick restart of your phone might be all you need to refresh the system. Another reason could be outdated software. If your phone's operating system or apps are not updated, this can lead to compatibility issues. Keeping your phone's software up to date is essential for smooth operation. You might also be experiencing touchscreen calibration problems. Some phones requiring calibration to accurately detect gestures. If your touchscreen is not calibrated correctly, the magnifying glass gestures may not register. Take a moment to check if your phone has built-in calibration tools. Physical hardware issues can also interfere with the magnifying glass feature. Damage to the touchscreen or internal connections can prevent touch responsiveness. Water damage or loose connections are common culprits. In such cases, a professional repair might be necessary. Sometimes, conflicts with accessibility settings can cause problems as well. Other accessibility features or third-party applications may interfere with the magnifying glass function. It is a good idea to check your accessibility settings and disable any conflicting apps. Lastly, performance problems due to insufficient resources can lead to lagging. If your phone is struggling with low memory or heavy background processes, features like magnification may not respond smoothly. Clearing cache and freeing up storage can help improve performance. In summary, if your magnifying glass is not working, it could be due to software glitches, outdated software, touchscreen calibration issues, hardware damage, conflicting settings, or performance slowdowns. Restarting your device, updating software, calibrating the touchscreen, and checking accessibility settings are practical steps to troubleshoot. If these solutions do not help, consider seeking professional assistance.